One of you, power of touch, said this. Rhaid is must though, so you can use Rhaid or Kyle for saying we must go. Question. Yes, but no, it's complicated. Which is why I'm making a video, because it's worth it, and you brought up a valid subject. I'm Benjamin, and this video is my experiences learning Welsh, becoming fluent in it, gives me access into a lot of questions that learners may have trouble with. And this exactly is one of them. How to say need to or must in Welsh. We don't really have a verb in the same tense that English does. Need to. In Welsh, we have 4 different words to express this concept in 4 different ways, more or less. And they overlap. A lot of them are quite indistinguishable in how they're used. So rhaid, a need, a must. Eisiau, a lack of, a want. Angen, a need. There's a sense of urgency there. And cael is more of, well, you need to see my video on that, but it's to have, but to get, or be allowed to as well. You will also see gofyn, to ask, in this tense of to need. So part of the problem that this person, power of touch, faces in trying to learn Welsh, in that concept of to need, to must in English, is we don't have an exact translation. We don't use that as the verb. We use my, is, there is. See my video on my. But my angen arna. There is a need upon me. Okay? If it's like serious, ma rhaid. Ma rhaid iddo fynd. He must go. If it's a sense of like a physical thing that's not with somebody, like a lacking food or something, mae eisiau bwyd arna hi. Mae eisiau bwyd ar y ci. Mae eisiau bwyd ar y ci. The dog is lacking for food. The dog needs food. Okay? Mae gofyn iddo fynd. There is an asking for him to go. He has to go. I think that's more of a dialect, but you get what I mean. There's a lot of different ways to construct this, and they're not straightforward. In case of need, os bydd angen, if there will be a need. So in terms of a noun, a thing, angen, a need, a physical need. Mae angen arno fo weld meddyg. There is a need upon him to see the doctor. And eisiau, it's more of in terms of a lacking. Mae eisiau tŷ arno. There is a lack of house upon him. He needs a place. He needs a house. Yeah? It's more of, is it with them or not? Yeah? It's not the verb to need as it is in English. Though we do have that in a way. It's a Celtic way of looking at possession. Things are with you. We don't have the verb to have, like in the same tense that you have in all Germanic languages. Habe, have, those things. My friend dy fi. There is a friend with me. Not I have a friend. Mae rhaid I fy friend I ddod. My friend must come. Mae angen I mi friend ddod. There is a need for my friend to come. That's a bit different than rhaid. But it's so subtle that it's more like, so rhaid, the emphasis, mae rhaid I mi friend ddod. The emphasis is, it's almost on me. Like, I need the friend to come. Mae angen I mi I fy ffrind I ddod. It's almost like the emphasis is on the friend. It changes. It's so subtle it's difficult to even notice. It means the same thing, basically. Mae eisiau I mi ffrind ddod. That one doesn't sound right. It doesn't work as much. You could say that. Yeah, that sounds weird. Rhaid and angen are completely interchangeable. These are a physical, a need. Eisiau is a lacking, a want, quite often used with food. Mae eisiau bwyd arno fo. He needs food. Mae eisiau cael ar y ferch. The daughter needs soup. Pa angen sydd iddo fo yn poeni ni? Why does he need to bother us? Pa angen. It's not a direct translation with need from English. It's the need is upon people or lacking from people. I hope that clears things up for Power of Touch. It's a good name. It's like an 80s love band or something. Anyway, I'm Ben Llywelyn. If you liked that, leave a click of a like below and tap your fingers on the comments and let me know. Diolch yn fawr iawn am wylio. Thank you very much for watching.